I've had a PCB made up with the Microtan cassette interface on it, and let's load a program. So the SD card will list the contents of the SD card. There you go. So let's go and find Space Invaders. So just move the cursor down until we find it. You can save and load programs. These are some programs that I've saved after loading them in using Audacity from the PC. So that's Space Invaders selected. So now we need to read that into the buffer, so that will go into the internal buffer. That's 2K roughly, and then set fast mode on the 10 bug and load the program. Nope, let's do it properly. And we just need to send that. So that's sending it from a RAM buffer, not from the SD card. The SD card interface isn't fast enough to do that. So it's found it. That's the start address there, 400. So we'll let that load. And run it. Oh, there we go. Loaded from SD card. So the USB here is for power at the moment when I'm using it like this, but you can also operate it over the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE. And there's some extra circuitry here, which is the circuit that allows it to read and write over the proper cassette interface, not the TTL levels, which is what I'm using here. And if I populate that, hopefully that will work with the Casio FX502P. So that will give you a little system where you can save and load programs and data from that calculator. I've had a prototype running before, but I decided to put that circuitry on this shield because there was enough room there with the buttons and display and so on. So that'll be a dual purpose circuit board. But yeah, Space Invaders loaded from an SD card.